Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy you are here. Today we are going to make a delicious, super soft, moist butter cake and some cupcakes for our tea time. Then let's go. First, we need to strain 500 grams of flour with 4 teaspoons of baking soda and keep it aside. Then take the room temperature butter and beat until bright yellow turns light yellow. Now add a cup of sugar and again start whisking. If you choose clockwise, do the same until the end. Do this until all sugar is gone. When the mixture turns fluffy, add eggs one by one and beat well. Then add the pinch of vanilla and combine well. All in all, add flour mixture in 3 batches and fold in gently. Now, pour it into a greased pan and cupcake liners and then bake in preheated oven for 40 minutes under 170 Celsius of temperature. Okay then, there's no any liquid formula in here and we can taste this moist butter cake and cupcakes in our tea time. Thank you all for watching. Let's meet as soon as possible with our new video.